Ever wondered why we sneeze? It turns out our body has its own tiny cannon to protect us from invaders. Sneezing is a powerful reflex that safeguards our respiratory system. When irritants like dust, pollen, or pathogens enter our nasal cavity, our body initiates a sneeze to expel them at speeds up to 160 kilometers per h. This high-velocity air blast, accompanied by mucus, effectively clears our airways of unwanted particles. It's a microscopic spring cleaning for your nose, ensuring nothing harmful sets up camp in your respiratory tract.